Nancy Fetzer's Literacy Connections, Independent Centers for Emergent Reading. Blue Level, Book 21, Letter X. Well, hello, my little reading buddies. This is Ella, here with your letter of the week. Your letter for this week is X. Say it with me. X. Great job! My friends Chase and Oliver are here to help you learn and practice the sound for the letter X. Are you ready, readers? Here we go. This is the capital X. And this is the lowercase x. The letter X makes the sound X. Say the sound with me, friends. X. Fabulous! Now, let's practice. Now, I have to tell you, little friends, that X is a tricky little letter. Instead of hearing its sound at the beginning of a word, like we usually do, we are going to hear X at the end of the words we practice. X is sly like a fox. This is a box. Box ends with X. Listen. X. X. Box. Try it with me. X. X. Box. Ooh la la! That was fancy. Okay, kiddos. This is wax. Wax ends with X. Listen. X. X. Wax. Let's do it together. X. X. Wax. Wow! And this is fix. Fix begins with fix ends with X. Listen. X. X. Fix. Read it with me. X. X. Fix. What fancy reading! I'll wax this car up real nice so that it shimmers and shines. I'm going to fix that car up real nice with this fancy little tool thing I have right here. That's a wrench, Miss Ella. Are you sure you can do this? Let's do some more. This is a 6. 6 ends with X. Listen. X. X. 6. All together now. X. X. 6. Super job! And this is a tux. Tux ends with X. Listen. X. X. Tux. Try it with me. X. 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 wonderful work! Hooray! Hooray! I'm 6 today! 6 starry balloons for the big birthday boy. I wore my best tux and brought 6 presents to celebrate. Look at these fun pictures. This is mix. Mix ends with x. Listen. X. X. Mix. Let's read together. X. X. Mix. Fantastic! And these are chickenpox. Pox ends with x. Listen. X. X. Chickenpox. Now you try it with me. X. X. Chickenpox. That was awesome. My, oh my, these chickenpox are just miserable. Sigh. I'm just so itchy and scratchy. I better mix much faster so these boys can get to feeling better soon. Here's our last set of pictures for the letter X. This is a box. Box ends with x. Listen. X. X. Box. Read it with me. X. X. Box. Brilliant. And this is a mailbox. Mailbox ends with x. Listen. X. X. Mailbox. All together now. X. X. Mailbox. Such smart little readers you are. Look at this huge box of fan mail, all for me. You sure are popular, Miss Ella. Your mailbox is all filled up again with even more fairy fan mail. Hey, look you guys. I got a fan mail too. Okie dokie, little reading buddies. Now it's time for us to practice reading with the letter X. Are you ready? Great! Let's get to it. So, when we see the capital X, we say the letter name, X. And when we see the lowercase x, we will say the sound that the letter makes, X. And when we see a picture, we will say the name of the picture. Now let's read together. Here we go. X. X. Box. X. 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 Chickenpox. X. 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 Axe. X. X. Mix. X. 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 mailbox. X, X. X, tux. X, X, X. Wax. X, X. What a perfect job! Your letter for this week is X. This is the capital X. And this is the lowercase x. The letter X makes the sound X. Make sure you practice.